Hello everyone, Maria back with our next Tuesday video. Today we're going to go over Hoopla. It's another one of our streaming services. It has ebooks, e-audiobooks, television, movies, comics, and kids programming too. So as always, we're going to start off at our website, maple.org. You will need your library card for this database and possibly your PIN. So if you have any questions or have any issues and not knowing what your PIN is, give us a call at 708-748-4431, or you can shoot us an email at mtslib@mapld.org. So we're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list, and we're going to click down where it says Hoopla. So when you click, it's going to either do two things. Either you have your email, your password already set up, or it's going to have you go out here. Oops, let me go back out and just Hoopla. It says get started today. You're going to put in your email, confirm your email password, confirm your password, and then you can go ahead and hit agree, and it's going to ask you for your zip code, or you find your library through a list of libraries. You can also do this on your mobile device. So if you want to use your Kindle, if you want to use your e-reader or your phone, you can definitely do the same process, same steps, just on your device. And once you get through, we're going to click and go ahead, click here. I'll log myself in. Yep. Oops, I clicked on it twice. You will see, let's go back to the Hoopla's main page. At the top will be the most notable things that are happening with Hoopla. So of course we have the holiday movies here. We have the home and garden. So these are new things that are added to the actual brochures and the list of movies that they have and TV shows and etc. So if you have currently borrowed anything, it'll be here, right here in the middle. You can see you have 14 titles per month, so it's 1 credit per title. So if you want to take a movie, 1 credit, audiobook, 1 credit, and so forth, and those will regenerate at the beginning of the following month. And you can also check your borrowing history here if you have anything to borrow. If you go up here, you can browse through audiobooks, the movies, music, comics, ebooks, and television. If you want to make sure it's kid-friendly, you can turn where it says kids off here. If you click kids on, it'll show you just the kids mode, and it'll show you anything that's programming that's just kid-friendly. And last but not least, if we just go ahead and I can show you. So audiobooks will always have the little audio sign. You can see right here at the bottom, the little headphone sign, just like your ebooks will have the little ebook sign. And if you want to borrow this item, just go ahead and click on it, click on borrow, and it'll just be in your My Hoopla where it says currently borrowed. You'll see all your things right here. So everything will be reserved and spaced out for you in your currently borrowed section. And remember, for 14 credits per month, it's a lot of credits. Hoopla is really big on our patrons, really big on using Hoopla for our e-audio. So thank you guys for using that. We appreciate it. It's a service that we have to offer you guys, but continue to use it. So hopefully if anybody has any questions, just please let us know in this video below, or give us an email or give us a call. But simple, very easy to use, and it's a great resource for you out there. So remember our library website, mapld.org, Research and Learning. Go to A to Z list, go down to Hoopla, or go to your iOS Apple Store or your Google Play Store on your Android devices, and then just Google for Hoopla, and then put in your credentials. Remember, make your password, your email, and put your library card associated with that email that you have. But yeah, that's about it. So until then, I will see you next time, and everybody stay safe. Bye.